Ukraine's pistol shooting coach, Viktor Ivanienko, has the rare honor of coaching both Qatar and Indian teams respectively. Before taking up the Qatar job in 2013, Viktor had already guided the Ukrainian shooters to Olympic glory at the 2004 and 2008 Games. During his stint with the Qatar national women team, the internationally acclaimed coach helped shooters Nasra Mohammed Mahmoud and Aldana Saad Al Mubarak win multiple honors at the GCC and Arab competitions. Kel Updates correspondent Armstrong Vaz caught up with him recently in Doha.
Tell us more about your time you spent as a coach in Qatar.
I come in Doha 2013 and work in national team Qatar with lady pistol 25 meters.
So, how has been your experience with the Qatar shooters? And I believe Qatar is promoting women shooters in a big way.
I don't know how before me, when I come here, my shooters show me very good result. I'm very happy because this is my first project when I have training together with lady. I think okay, my shooters show me very good result. We come together many competition, like competition in Gulf, Oman, and competition outside in European country, Germany, also welcome. My shooters, when I work here together with my shooters, also show me good result. And sometimes lady took too much medal, gold, silver, bronze, and individual and team Qatar.